Track the profitability of your projects. Create a new project and fill in the details. Don't forget to specify the planned budget. Add team members and contractors to the project. Assign tasks to coworkers. Create and send a check-in to your team to remind them about tracking the time spent on tasks. If you haven't done it yet, go to Organization Configuration and fill in your employees' hourly rates. You can also set custom employee rates inside each project. Check the time logs and select which of them are billable. Use this information to issue an invoice for your client. Keep track of how much your team spent and how much revenue they generated.
Start using our all-in-one project management system. Go to Firmbee.com and use for free.